Okay, so everyone, can you hear me? Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes.
Turn on your camera, please. Who didn't join?
Joshua Sam.
Yeah. Okay. So we will start the class. Okay. So yeah. So we were doing factorization, and now today we will learn factorization of perfect cube polynomial. Factorization.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Is it a new topic, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So factorization of a perfect cube polynomial. So, for example, question is given like x cube plus 6x square y plus 12x y square plus 8y. The question is like that. Then how will you solve it? Okay. Then how will you solve it? Listen here. Basically, we know that this is cube and this is cube. Okay. So, if I will write it like this, can I write it like this? Any problem in that? No? Plus
Right.
6.
You can write 8y cube as
Yes. You can write 2 cube y cube. It means that you can write like this. Did you understand like that? Hmm? Now, in this, I can understand this. Like this is A cube and this is B cube. Yes or no? Yes or no? And the middle identity is like 3A. Like if you will compare then A is equals to X and B is equals to 2Y. Yes. So it means that if I will write it like that, 3A square B. So 3A square is basically X square and B is 2Y plus 3B square A. So if you will multiply it, will you are you getting 6? Yes. So like 3 to the 6, x square y. So I split it like that. 3 because I know the identity. Do you know the identity, guys? What is the identity of a plus b whole cube? Can you tell me, Adric? A cube.
a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b.
Yeah, 3. Basically, this identity is there. A
3a
cube.
square b plus
Yes.
3ab square.
Yes. See, listen, guys. This 3ab into a plus b is given now. So if I will multiply it, so it will become 3a square b plus 3b square. Okay, so I got the a cube term, I got the b cube term. It means that this will be 3a square b or this is 3b square. And when I will split it, am I getting this like that? So like if I will compare this and this, I will get that a is equals to x and b is equals to 2y. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Now 3a square. A is basically x. X square is x square into 2y and 3b square a means 3b b is basically 2y square and x plus b. Understood? No. No understood? Yes, I'll ask it.
Wait, how did you do the second one? Like 3 2y square x?
See, we have 3b squared. Now, what is b?
B will be like, in that
What
it's
is?
x
No. Check. I wrote.
or
A is
2y.
x, b is 2y. Okay. So 3b square a is 3 in bracket 2y square because b is equals to 2y and into a is x. So it means that this whole can be written as in the form of a plus b whole cube. Now a is basically x plus 2y whole cube. So this is the answer. Understood, guys? No. Ask me. Everyone got it? Clear enough. Clear enough. Then I will give you one question.
Why did it become a cube instead of x cube?
A cube. Okay. Okay. Basically, I do the values.
So like when we ever get a question like this, it will either be a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube, right?
Yeah, but you have to check it.
Okay.
Okay. So like I checked this and I got that this is looking like A cube and this is looking like B cube. And then I have to do the middle term this splitting part also.
Okay.
That's why. You sure you're late?
Sorry, sir. We were traveling, so
Can I read it?
sir, could you explain this?
Yeah, I'll give you one more question, then I will explain later. Just give me a second. Can I read this, guys?
Yes.
Okay, I will do one more question so that you can understand it more clearly. Okay, so the second question was dispute minus dispute minus. Okay, this is the question. Okay, now guys, listen, please pay attention. Everyone. Pens down, everyone. Okay. Now, if I will split, like if I will take like power, so it is looking like this is x cube, and like we know that 4 into 4 into 4 is basically 64. Why? 4 the 16, 16 the 64. It means that I can write 64 as 4 cube.
4 cube.
It will become 4 cube by cube, and rest I will write it like same. Okay, and if I will compare it, so it will become like this. Okay, now listen, guys, listen. Now, if I will compare with the identity, it is looking like AQ minus PQ minus this is looking like 3A square B plus 3B square A. No, first what we will do, we will not write the identity. Okay, we will write it. We'll write it. Okay, now if you will compare that, A is basically looking like X and B is looking like 4Y. Okay, and I have to do the middle term splitting of this also so that I can get the answer. Okay, because we have to check that is it true or not. So we'll check this like A cube, which is X cube, minus B cube, which is 4Y cube, minus 3 into A. A, if you will take A, is basically X square into B is 4Y plus 3 into B. B is 4Y square into A, which is X. Okay, and if you will check this, you will find it out, guys, that this is A cube B cube plus 3A. A is X, A square B, and 3B square A. So it means that it is correct because when you will multiply it, 3 4 are 12, 12x square by. Okay, 4 square is 16, 16 3 is 48, 48 y square x. Okay, so it means that I am getting that. Okay, so it means that it is in the form of A, which is x minus 4y. This is the answer. Did you understand, Ira? Abigail, Edric, Opinion? Do you have any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
See, you should know the identity, which is A cube, A minus B cube. So which is A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3B square. This is the identity. You should remember. Then only you will. Guys, did you understand? Yes, just not.
Sir, must we write the 4 cube y cube in the first step? Can't we just go straight to 4y the whole cube?
Yeah, but how it came? First, I wrote 64 as 4 cube. Then it becomes 4 cube y cube. Then I take out the power as a common. I have to show the step. No? That's why I have to write. If you're not showing steps, then you might lose. So we can't lose marks in that question which we know very well. Understood? Of being lazy, not writing the steps. Yes, Hint, you're saying something.
B square.
Okay, shall I give you one question now?
Yes, please. A harder one.
Shall I read this, guys?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Joshua, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give me the question now. I will do this question, guys. If you're not getting it, please ask me. I'm here to help you guys. Ira, समझ में आया? You got it?
I'm still thinking, sir.
Okay, please ask me. You guys have weekend, like Saturday, Sunday. You have time to go through again. And if you have doubt, ask me on Monday. So we will solve something on Monday if you have doubt. Yes. Now you have to start spending time with maths. That's why I give little homework.
So that's one answer.
You write it down in chat, please. Edric, you're finding answer with the steps? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. That's important. Edric done?
Yes,
I
sir.
got it. I
Good.
checked it out.
You also done?
Yes.
Let me check. Okay, good. Shall I do it on the board, guys?
Yes, please.
Correct. Jahuan, Bishop. Correct. Simeon. Betya, you want me to do it on the board? Please ask me. It's okay. If you're not able to do it. Ira?
I was sending you the answer.
Okay, send me, send. Ira? Abigail, it's wrong, beta.
Yeah, typing mistakes, sir.
Yeah. Quickly do it again. Ira?
Wait, I don't know if the answer is correct. I'll send it and then.
Yeah, quickly send it to me.
Sir, I edited it. Is it correct now?
Betya is not correct. It's okay, it's okay. Who said? Ira, it's not correct. Something is missing. Okay. Abigail, you send it to where?
I sent it to Hardwick, sir.
No. It's not that. Okay, listen, guys. It's little bit tricky. See, the power is 6. And I need a power cube, like 3. So, can I split it in this way? Square, cube,
X
because
squared
3
power
to the
3.
6.
X squared power 3.
Yeah, 3 to the 6. Yes or no, Ira? Abigail, are you with me or not? Okay. So, it is like this. And rest I will write same. And again, here you can see that it's power 6 again. So can I split it again? Minus y square and then cube. And now if I will compare this with the a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus y cube, b cube, sorry. So now if you will compare this, so a is equals to x and b is equals to y.
A is equal to X square. B is equal to Y square.
Yeah, I know that. So a is equal to x square and b is equal to y square.
So
And
here A
if
is
you
equal
will
to X and B is equal to Y.
see, can you see that?
Now,
Not square.
A is equal to X square, B is equal to Y square.
Yeah. Okay. So it means that if you will split it like that also, will you be able to do that? Like 3x square into y square
X square
plus
plus
3
2
y square
whole square. Y
square and x square
square.
minus y cube cube. So if you will compare this, then A is equals to x square and B is equals to y square. Now what is the identity of that? The identity is A minus B
A
whole
minus B
cube.
whole.
So A is basically x square minus B is equals to y square and the whole cube is there. This is the answer. Understood, Ira? Ira, did you listen where you did got mistake?
Yes, sir.
Where's the
I didn't
mistake?
write the squares.
Why? If you're not writing square, then how the power will become 6?
Like I wrote it there, but then like when I was doing the 3x square and then y square and all of that, I didn't write it.
Yeah, you have to write it down. Otherwise, you will look like. Abigail, where you got mistake? Abhi,
Yeah, sir. I didn't like. I wrote x square minus y square, and I didn't put cube for that, and I expanded it.
and you can further solve this. Yes. Is it solvable? Yes, it is solvable. How?
I
Yeah,
said
How?
you can
that.
make it x minus y into
X
x
plus
minus
one.
y. I mean x plus y, and the whole cube in both.
Yes. Good one. Like it. Did you listen, Ira, what I did? See, Ira, it is in the form of a square minus b square. Now, what is the
Yes.
identity of that? A plus b, a minus b,
Yes, sir.
and the cube is already there. Now, I just give one like to the power to each. Did you understand, guys? No. No, no, no.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we'll jump to the next identity, which is one of the most important and hard test identity. But we'll try to understand. Okay. Next identity is now Monday. I will ask you identities. Every identities you have to be on your like fingertips. Okay. You have to learn it identity like that. Mama morning. If you will like Mama will wake you up. Then you should say, "Oh, Mama, I got up. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB," like that. So it means that you have to learn identities on your fingertips. Okay. So now the question is 64 AQ plus 27 BQ. Now I'll ask Abigail, what identity you are seeing in this? Like what identity you can use in this?
A,
I already got that.
Yeah. Like let Abigail speak. Yes, Abigail.
a cube plus b cube equals a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square.
So Ira, is this correct? I think it's so. Ira. Only Ira.
Yes, that's correct, right? A
Okay,
plus B.
Betya is shaking head. Betya, what is wrong in that?
It's a square plus b square equals a square plus b square
It's not
plus
square, it's cube.
oh sorry cube a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a.
Huh?
Okay, so I'll ask Jashran. Jashran, who is correct, Abigail or Betya?
That's yeah.
Betya is correct. Okay, Simeon, whom you're voting?
But yeah,
Oh my God, Abigail, you're losing now.
I vote for
Edric,
Abigail. I vote for Abigail.
Abigail. Okay, so 3 each. Now it's all on Joshua. Joshua, you are the match winner one. Tell me, who's you voting? Whose identity is correct, Abigail or Betya? Or you want to give your own identity? Tell me.
No, I don't have my own abilities.
So whose identity is correct? Just blinded go with anybody. Quickly, we have a lot of work to do. Quickly,
But yeah, I think
Betya.
it's
Okay, so the winner is Team Abhijit. Okay, so basically, you should know, remember this, guys. Learn this identity, guys. See, A cube plus B cube, we have this identity now. A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. We learned this identity. Why you forget this? Everyone, just on. Why you forget this? What is A cube minus B cube, Jashron? Jashron will speak. Quickly speak. What is A cube minus B cube?
A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square.
Yeah. So why you forgot this identity? Jashron. Okay. So now, for example, this is in the, can I write it like this? 4 cube A cube. Why? Because 4 fours are 16, 16 4 is 64. Understood, Ira? Hmm? Can I write it like this? 27 as 3 cube B cube. B 3 is a 9, 9 is a 27. Which means that it is in the form of 4A whole cube plus 3B whole cube. Yes or no? Now it is in the form of A cube plus B cube, where A is equals to 4A and B is equals to 3B. Now what is the identity of that? A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. And just simply write the values into this, like A is equals to 4A plus
But why is
3B.
it minus AB? Shouldn't it be plus AB?
If you will solve this,
Identity.
yeah, it's an identity. And Simeon, if you will solve this, then you will get A2 plus BQ. If you will put plus na, you will not get A2 plus BQ. Understood? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? If you will
Yes.
solve this, I will solve this also. So when you will solve this na, then only you will get A2 plus BQ. If you will put plus in this, you will not get A2 plus BQ. Understood, Simeon? No.
Yes.
Okay, so A square is basically 4A square minus AB is 4A into 3B into B square is 3B square. So it will become 4A plus 3B, 16A square minus 12AB plus 3B square is 9B square. This is the answer. Did you understand, guys? Abigail didn't understand anything. Why, Abigail? What happened?
I understood, sir.
Oh, that happened.
So is this solving the sum?
Yeah, just we got factors, na? Like
Okay.
two factors which is in multiplication.
Okay, sir.
Ira, what happened, Ira? Did you
Nothing.
understand everything?
Yeah, I understood.
Yeah. Everyone got it or not? Please ask me.
Yes,
Guys.
sir.
Sir.
Oh, that's
That
good.
was so easy question.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very
So A cube plus B cube always equals A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square.
Correct. Right. We'll do one question based on this quickly. Shall I do this? No,
Yes.
Ira is writing. We should wait for everyone. I hope these classes are helping you guys. Yes? Damien is very yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So these guys will get bonus marks because classes are helping us. And best you will get bonus marks. Okay. Shall I read this, guys?
Yes, please.
Now I will write one question and you guys have to solve. So guys. Amazing. Solve it. and send me answer in the chat. Okay. Joshua.
Yes.
No, no. I want to ask from everyone. Are you anybody is here for attending a class data entry? Anybody is here?
Me.
Because we will start data entry class with Edric by 1st April. So data entry classes will also start by 1st April. So anybody is here? Nobody?
Then English?
English also by 1st April. So we have 2 classes. So if you want to join, please message me. Okay. So that all this classes, all the students will join on one.
So who will be taking data entry and who will be taking English?
English, Rebecca ma'am,
Data entry?
and data entry, Sakshi ma'am. Done?
Yes, sir.
Send it me.
I'm still solving.
Okay. Correct. Correct, Edric. What is Sizabe? What is this Sizabe? Sizabe? What is the meaning of that? Anybody? Abigail knows
It's the name
Sizabe?
of it's the name of their gang, sir.
Gang of?
Yeah,
What type of gang is there?
I don't know. You should ask Simeon. He's the leader.
Steven, what is Sizabe? Edric,
Yes,
what
sir.
is Sizabe? Sizabe what? What is Sizabe? I want to know about Sizabe.
I don't know. Only Simeon knows about it.
You're part Edric, you're part of a gang. You don't know what gang it is.
It's EKSVT.
I think S is like for Simeon. D is Edric or something like that.
Oh, yeah, Edric Kester of Zimbabwe. So, yeah, EK of Zimbabwe. Oh, my God. I did research on it. PhD paper. Okay, so I guess you got the answer, everyone. Do you want me to do it on the board? Please ask me, Jeshron. Do you want me to do it on the board?
Yes,
So you
please.
got it. Jason, you got it, or you want me to do on the board? Please ask me. Yes, you.
Sir, I got the answer. I sent it to you in the chat.
Oh, okay. Let me check. Ira?
So I'll just send it.
Okay. Ah, no. No. Jeshron? It's 2x minus 5y. Ira, it's 2x minus 5y will be there, no? A minus b is there, no?
Oh
What
yeah.
is the identity?
Yeah, sorry for
A
that.
minus B. A minus A B. Okay.
Vidya, you got it or you want me to solve it?
I got it.
Okay. Joshua, you got it or you want me to solve it, beta?
So I got it.
Oh, okay. You got it. If you didn't got it, then the carpenter will beat you with the tag. Okay. So we'll do one more question. And this is a bit tricky. So we'll check who can do this. Okay. A4 minus A. Let's see who can do it.
Okay. Easy. Got it.
Easy. Oh, wow.
That's very easy.
Let's see who can win this.
How do you solve 8 to the power 13?
That's why it's a key question. You have to solve it. Hint, I can give you one hint that first factorization that we learned, you have to use that first and then you have to use the property. I can give you this hint. The first factorization, like we are doing right now, sixth factorization. But I'm saying first factorization that we learned, first we have to use that and then we have to solve it. This is the hint.
13 or 1.3?
Sorry, say it again. Say it again.
Is that 13 or 1.3?
No, 13. 1, 3, 13.
Got the answer, sir. Got the answer. I'll send it to
Have they
you.
got the answer? Let me check. Let me check. Correct. 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 Okay, Edric got the answer. Let's see who's second. Yes, Joshua.
I didn't get how to do the a to the power of 30. How to change it?
Yeah. Yeah. That's the question, no? That's the question. If you haven't solved that, then you will get the answer. I got it. Aira, come on, you can do it. Ouch. Yes, you can do it. Come on, Abigail. Eat born Vita. Come on, you can do it. Who eat Chyawanprash? You know Chyawanprash? No, this one is wrong. No, Abigail, it's wrong. Sorry. Sorry.
Sir, actually, this is slightly easy.
Yeah.
Oh, Simeon got it. Simeon, send it to me, beta. Simeon. Yeah, correct. Simeon also got it. We get second answer. Ira, you got it? No, proud of you. So basically, what we will do, see guys, what is the first factorization property? Can anybody read it and tell it to me, please? What is the first factorization property? Like first,
Factorization by distributive property.
in this, what we learned, I gave you like by the, it is also called as common property. Like we have to find the common between them. So what is the common between them, guys? What is the common between them? A to the power 4. So if I will take out a to the power 4 as a common, so in this, the a to the power 4 is out. So only 1 will left behind. So it's 1 minus, and this is a to the power 13. And out of this, a to the power 13, what is out? A to the power 4 is out. So what is remaining behind? A to the power 9. Did you understand? No. Hmm? Again, I am saying they are the two terms, and we know that they have common between them. What is the common between them? A to the power 4 is the common between them. Now, from this a to the power 4 is out. So I wrote like that. Now, if nothing is left, okay, so we will write 1 in place of. So a to the power 4 is out. Nothing is left. I will write 1. Understood? No. Okay, in the same way, it is a to the power 13 is there. Out of this, 4 power is out. So 4 power, I will subtract it. I will get answer as 9.
Eight
Did you
for
understand?
yes, sir. So
Now,
because A4 is out from both A4 and A13. So 13 minus 4 equals 9. That's how you got 9.
yes.
A9 can
Okay.
also A cube the whole cube. Because 3
Yeah, so it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Now you normally have to solve the identity. Like a is equals to 1,
and
b is
3
equals to
A
a cube. So
A
I have to just write the properties, which is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b
B.
square. So it means that a4 can be written as 1 minus a cube into a square, which is 1 square, plus ab, which is a cube into 1, plus b cube, which is b square, which is a cube square, like that. This is the answer. A4 into 1 minus a cube into 1 plus a cube plus a6. This is the answer. Did you understand, Vidya? No. Ira, got it? No.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Abigail,
Got it, sir.
Jashran, Joshua.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Now quickly write it down, and then I'll give you the homework, a little homework.
only very little.
Yeah, very little.
Like maximum 3-5 questions.
Yeah, maximum 30-50%.
Sir, 10 times more than what he said.
Yeah, I just heard that only.
No, I said 3 to 5.
Yeah, 3 to 5 means 325.
No, I said 3 TO5.
I heard TW.
I'll type you in the chat box.
Okay, this is the question.
Submit it.
You have you should have nice weekend. No? That's why I gave little homework. This weekend. Yeah, that's why is craving out.
Sir,
Yes.
we can simplify this more, right?
How? How will you simplify
Like,
it?
like we can put 1 as 1 cube minus a cube.
Yeah, you can do that thing also. You can do more. Like how Abigail is trying to say, it's gonna be like this. Like this is 1 cube, a cube. So again, it's form of a cube minus b cube. A is equals to 1 and 1b is equals to a. So you can do more. Good. Good observation. So now you guys have 4 minutes break and then we'll start a science class. And then bye Abigail, bye Sydney.
So,
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, guys, come back. Come back, come back, come back. It's our science class. Come on, everyone, turn on the camera, please. So, we did this chapter. So, yeah, we were doing this question in which we learned about inertia and we learned about the first law of motion also. Yes. Now, today we will learn about a new topic called as momentum. Now, this is one of the important topics, so please pay attention. Okay. So, today's topic is momentum. Okay. Now, listen, guys. Okay. For example, this is Vidya. Okay. So, I'm making a drawing of Vidya. For example, this is Vidya. Okay. And this is a toy car. Okay. This is a toy car. Toy car normally weight of 1 kg. Will take 1 kg. And this toy car is coming towards Petya with the speed of 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second. Okay. So this is one case, option A. Okay, this is option one. And for example, this is um this is me, for example. We take one example. Okay. Now this is me. This is a truck. Okay. Now listen, guys. This is a truck. Now this this weight is normally about 300 kg. Okay, and this is also coming with the same speed, 20 meter per second. So note that both the option has same speed. This is also have same speed, 20 meter per second. This is also have same speed. Now, which option A or option B, which option will have a chance to have a food with Jesus?
Huh?
Which option will have a chance for the food with Jesus? Like option A, Petya have a chance, or option B, me has a chance.
You.
Yeah, because Jesus loves me. No? So why? Both have same speed. Why the option A is not having that much like that much injuredness as compared to option B?
Because option A has less weight. Option B has more weight. So
But we learned that weight is different thing than the speed. Both have same speed, but why always me?
because it's 300 because then the pain will be 300 times more than Bethia's pain.
Yeah, yes, that is correct. Yeah, so it means that there is one thing is there, one quantity is there, which is defining called as momentum. Okay, this is called as momentum. Momentum, momentum is basically nothing else, but momentum is mass into velocity. Momentum, we write momentum as P. P is the symbol of writing momentum, small p. And momentum is called as mass into velocity. So if I will check the momentum of option A case, okay, so it is basically P is equals to mass, which is 1 kg into 20. It's called as 20 kg meter per second. This is option A. And if I will talk the momentum of option B, it is mass, which is 300 into 20, which will be 6,000 kg meters per second. So, because the momentum is 6,000, that's why I got a chance to have food with Jesus. So what is what I'm trying to say? Momentum is not based on only velocity or only mass, but it's a product of mass and velocity. Okay. So for example, if I will throw a ball towards Edric, normal cricket softball, then he can catch it. Okay. And if I will throw a bowling ball to Edric, then the bowling ball will become a paperweight like on Edric. Yes, like
But
when
I can
bowling
still
ball will
catch it.
come,
But I can still catch
then
it, sir.
catch it, and then he will stick to one place. He's not able to move then. Why? Because it act like a paperweight. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, the bowling ball has more weight. It means that it is coming towards Edric with the more momentum as compared to normal tennis ball. Did you understand, Ira? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
momentum is basically the product of mass and velocity, and the SI unit. SI unit of momentum. The SI unit of momentum is kg meter per second.
That means it's kg into meter per second.
Yeah, kg into meter upon second or meter per second. Quickly write it down. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Quickly write it down. Till then I will go and fill my water bottle. Okay, done. Should I resume, guys? Okay, I think I did.
So what is written on the left hand side under mass and velocity? Mass multiplied by velocity. Yeah.
Mass into velocity. This
Yeah, under that.
it's P. P for parrot. Meow, meow, like that parrot.
Okay.
It's equals to 1 into 20. It's PA, means option A, which is option B. 20, like how I did it, 1 is the kg mass and 20 is the velocity. I just multiplied it and I got 20 kg meter per second.
Okay.
So Ira, you wrote in cursive and like you write in cursive.
I don't know what I write in. I just write cursive, I
So
think.
you write like me or you write like this?
So like
Like if I
sometimes it keeps changing.
oh, is it like Judas? Like you are writing like this. Which one is your
The
writing?
top
Like
one.
option A or B?
Option A.
A. Okay. Can I use this? So this is all about momentum. So I request who will be I request Ira to read this, please.
Momentum. You have learned in the earlier section that the force required to stop a moving body depends upon its mass. Now suppose two balls of same mass are moving with different velocities. Which ball will need more force to stop? You will find that the faster moving ball will require more force to stop it. Thus, the force required to stop a body also depends on its velocity. You must have noticed that a small bullet, when fired from a gun, can kill a person. But the same bullet, if thrown with hand, can hardly do any harm. Similarly, a truck parked along a roadside does not require any attention, but a moving truck may kill a person standing in its path. Is it only the velocity of the truck which makes us frightened? If it is so, then a toy car moving with the same velocity as a truck may have equally frightened to us.
Yeah.
Well,
So I have I have wished to become a flat. So if I will go in front of truck, then I can become a flat because truck will go over me and then I will become a flat. So what I'm trying to say, because the truck has weight and its normal velocity will also make me flat. I don't want to do any dieting. I can normally become a flat. Okay, so don't do this. Don't try at home and somewhere else. But I'm trying to say the momentum of a truck is different because of the mass and velocity. If mass and velocity is more, okay, then it has a momentum, and that momentum is basically tells us that yeah, you will have a lunch with Jesus or somewhere. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, momentum is depend on two objects, two quantity, which is mass and velocity. Okay. Yes, I am.
From these observations, it appears that the impact produced by the objects depends on their mass and velocity. These two quantities help us to define a new quantity called momentum. The momentum p of a moving body is defined as the product of its mass m and velocity v, that is p equal to mv.
Yeah. And remember this thing. They can ask you. Um, they can ask you about the uh, what is the SI unit of momentum. So underline this. SI unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second. You guys will definitely you will confuse with the unit of force because unit of force is kilogram meter per second square. But the unit, SI unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second. Understood? So remember this thing, don't be confused in that. Okay, so now we will learn new term which is not in your book. Okay, we will learn new term which is not in your book. Okay, that is called as impulse. Okay, so everyone, please pay attention on your class, on the board. This is a new term which is not in your book called as impulse. Impulse. Impulse is basically called as change in momentum. Impulse is called as what? Change in momentum. Now everyone please pay attention. For example, for example, change in momentum is basically we can understand it like this. Final, final momentum minus initial momentum. Final momentum minus initial momentum. Now, what is final momentum? Final momentum is PF. And what is initial momentum? Initial momentum is PF. See, guys, I am repeating again. Impulse is change in momentum. Change in momentum is basically final momentum minus initial momentum. And PF denoted as a final momentum and PI denoted as initial momentum. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Now, for example, listen, guys, listen, please listen. For example, this is a ball of 5 kg. Okay, it was rolling with the speed of 20 meter per second, but because of friction, okay, because of friction, the now the speed of the ball, the same 5 kg ball, it's reduces to 10 kg 10 meter per second. Okay. So if they ask you to find the impulse or the change in momentum, so basically what is the initial speed? Can anybody tell me what is the initial speed of the Gadi uh,
20.
of this 20? 20 meter per second. What is the final speed?
10.
10 meters per second. Okay. Now, what's the impulse says as final momentum, which is Pf, minus initial momentum, which is Pi.
Minus
It's
10.
called as
Minus 10.
impulse. Okay. Now, what is momentum? Momentum is mass into velocity. Now, Pf is there, so it means that mass into final velocity. Did you understand? Yes or no, guys? Are you with me? No. I'm repeating again. Pf is final momentum. Final momentum is equals to mass into final velocity. Okay, or final speed. So basically, mass is 5 kg into velocity. Final velocity is 10. So it becomes 10. Did you understand what I'm doing? Vidya, Joshua, Ira, Joshua. Okay. Now, what is the initial momentum, Vidya? What is the initial momentum? Please.
Sorry?
What is the initial momentum? Pi.
5 or no, 10 maybe.
What is the formula for the momentum? Tell me. Formula for the momentum.
Uh,
Mass into
yeah, I don't remember. Sorry.
mass into momentum formula. Mass into
Are you asking me?
yes.
Oh,
Mass
you
into
said
right now I taught you mass into velocity. Momentum formula. So now what is the mass? Pi. What is the mass in this case? Yeah, unmute it and tell me.
5,
5. And what is the initial speed?
10,
Now initial speed
20.
20. So it becomes 5 into 20 like this. Okay, it's called as impulse. Now 5 tens are 50 minus 520 is 100. So it is impulse. And if you will solve it, you will get minus 50. So minus 50 kg meter per second is called as impulse or change in momentum. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? How we did this? No. Ask me.
Can you explain it from the yellow side?
Okay. So basically, there is a ball having 5 kg mass. It's moving with the speed of 20 meters per second. Okay. But after some time, this ball of the speed reduces for to 10 meter per second. Okay. The mass is same. Now, first of all, we have to write it down. What is the initial speed? The initial speed is 20. Okay. At the start of the case, it was 25 or 20. What is the final speed? Final speed is 10 meter per second, which is 10 meter per second. Okay, now they ask what is the impulse? Impulse is basically change in momentum. Change in momentum means final momentum minus initial momentum. Now, what is the final momentum? Final momentum formula is momentum is same, mass into velocity. But final momentum is basically mass into the final velocity. Did you understand? Yes or no? Now, mass is 5. And what is the final velocity? Final velocity is 10. So 5 into 10 is 50. Okay. Minus. What is the initial velocity? Initial velocity mass is same, which is 5. Into initial velocity, which is 20. So 520 is 100. When you will solve it, you will get minus 50 because 100 is greater. So 100 sign will come, which is minus. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Joshua. Okay, I'll give you one question. Then I will think. I will check that you are getting this or not. Okay, now you guys do this question.
1.2 or 1/2?
No.
1. 8?
Yeah. Yeah. 8. So at least don't tell the answers, write it down in the chat and do with the steps. Okay, I want steps. How will you do this? First, you have to mention what is initial velocity, what is final velocity, what is mass, and then you have to solve with the formula. Jahan, did you understand? Yes, you're saying something.
Do I have to write all of those values in the chat or just the answer in the chat?
No, just answer in the chat. Okay, I got the answer. Okay, so I got. I think I'm asking about impulse beta.
Now,
Yeah. Okay, Ida. Ida, I want impulse. What is 10 into 5? You wrote something. You have to multiply it, na? Joshua, Betya, I'm not getting answers. Please tell me your answers, please.
So we have to find it.
Yes, you have to find impulse. Yes, Betya, you got the answer? Send it to me quickly. Yes, 50 is the answer. So how will you do this, guys? I'll tell it to you again one more time. Like, what is the initial speed? So initial speed is 3 meter per second. What is the final speed? So the final speed is 8 meter per second. What is the mass? Mass is 10 kg. What is the formula for the impulse? So impulse formula is final momentum minus initial momentum. The mass is basically 10. And what is the final momentum? Final momentum is, final speed is 8. It becomes like that. Minus initial speed, which is mass is 10 into 3. So it will become 80 by 80 minus 30. So it will become 50 kg meter per second. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? So these steps are important. Writing all this thing, then only you will get 2 marks. Otherwise, you will get only 1 mark. Did you understand, guys?
so but,
Guys,
so but what if it's a 1 mark question?
1 mark question, then you will get half.
What if it's a half mark question?
Half mark, then you get 1/4, and then you can do half of that. Okay, so you have to do it. Okay, guys. So we'll stop here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. And then bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Sayonara.